I'm chillin', wood spinning, no Bentleys, Cadillac pimpin'.
Everybody, how y'all doing? I know I'm kind of dark, but you know, it is what it is. I'm going to do an episode of What's Inside Kendra's Truck. Okay, because I had a request. Ooh, sorry. Had a request and I decided to do it. Ain't no shame in my game. So, that's ready. Okay. Here go my truck. Up here is notebooks, notepads, contracts for when I need to pay the lumper, detention slips, lumper fee slips, all that good stuff. Over here is an old map that I had when I first started, and some paperwork of bills that I have ran and done and completed, and make sure I got paid for it. Up here is a CD case full of DVDs that I have gotten, but I'm waiting for my TV to come back to me because my daughter have it. Up here is some cords, an inverter, selfie stick that my sister got me, some fabric spray. You know, you gotta spray down your fabrics. Over here is some bags for when I need to put trash in. Spick and span spray. Yeah. Over here is some sanitizer holders for my purses and bags. Some more cords. You know, cord out. People give me cords and I keep them. Whatever you give me, I keep them. I don't know why. A bag full of blood tests when I need to take my blood sugar. I don't know. Well, my mama gave me that. She gave it to me. She's like, you need to take your blood sugar. Okay, mama. Over here is air freshener I got from Bath and Body Works. It was cheap. A chain that a guy gave me. You know, my friend Joe. He gave me that. Over here is some sticky window decorations. One says Silly Boys Trucks Are for Girls and Drama Queen. Yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all see those. Hold on. See, Silly Boys Trucks Are for Girls. And the other one say, ooh, Drama Queen. Down there is products to clean my truck. Windex, Spick and Span, bug spray, dustpan, some more bags. That is my trash can. Ladies, get a trash can because sometimes you gotta go to the bathroom. Yes. Just need to go in this trash. My shoes. 10 shoes. I need to buy some more because I got a hole in one. Because I was fixing the trailer and stuff. Yeah. Over here is more cleaning supplies. Hey, do you ever go to California? Go to the city called Weed. They got a Weed, California. So yeah, go there. Curtain that I'm about to put up around the truck. Some are installed in there, but this one is not installed, so I had to buy one. Over here, it's my organizer. Remember, fabric freshener spray, air freshener, another map, pens. Make sure you have tons and tons of pens. An empty cup for my ice, bills, fanny packs. I got tons and tons of fanny packs, wipes, folder. I need to clean out my trash. So yeah, a big jug. Look, with the big jugs, do not put soda in there. Put ice. That way it melt into water. Because if you just put soda and then you driving down, and all of a sudden, hour later, 30 minutes later, you're going to have soda water, pretty much. So, yeah. And here, sunflower seeds, almonds, Halls, Mary Jane's, napkins. This is my snack compartment. CB, got this for free. Got left in the truck and he said I can have it, so yeah. Over here, sunflower seeds. Always get another headphones that you just plug into your phone and put it in there while your other headphones are charging. Straws, vacuum mouths, lip chapstick, ibuprofen in case my head starts to hurt. Up here, it's just junk. A camera in case I get into an accident. All companies give you that. Some other bull crap I don't really need to say. Over there is my permit book and truck stop books and safety vest, some Dawn. Over here, yeah. So let me go over here. In this big old thing is all my clothes. I'm not gonna open it all. There. All my clothes. I need to fold them up. I just put it in there because I just got done washing. So I just like, you know what? I don't feel like folding it. Let me just put it all in there. So yeah. Over here is my shower bag. Move this big old thing. Shower bag, purses, fanny packs, I told ya. A wig. That was for when I went to my friend's wedding. Rastafarian hat. A scarf back there. My sponge that I just bought for my back so I can wash it. A laptop. You know, I'm about to go back to school online, so I need that. Down here, jewelry. Speakers for when I'm watching a movie on my phone or my laptop. A mirror, calendar, notebook, some other stuff because, you know, I've been studying this. See how much things are. I'm about to throw it away because I'm about to buy me a new GPS because mine is starting to act up and I need to update it all the daggone time. Books, diaries, air freshener. Over there is my name and my friend who I went to the wedding with, her and her husband. Yes. Over here is my kitchen supplies, you know, cups, you know, storage bags, plates, you know. Down here is my refrigerator, juices. Behind that juice is protein powder over there. More juices. This is for when I need to cook my oatmeal or my soup. Napkins, oranges, bananas, you know. Over here it's more and more food. I'm addicted to soup, so that's the majority of what I have, and some rice and stuff. Pineapples. I'm addicted to pineapples. My favorite fruit are pineapples. Seasons, breakfast bars, rice cakes, veggie chips. Veggie chips are so delicious. Yes, veggie chips, get on that. I need to try this out. Cinnamon apple pie. You know, I'm gonna try it out. Let's see. Down here is stuff. Green tea, cookers, water, that in there. So cookers, water, napkins in there. In that box back there is exercises, equipment, orientation books, more water, you know. I put that back later. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, over here it's hygiene products, laundry products, you know, bunch of coins. Make sure you shave your coins, you know, vitamins, you know. Whew, more water, napkins. You see how some dirty people are. I've been cleaning, but yeah, it's hard cleaning these daggone trucks out to people because people are just nasty. Over here, it's more. You get bit up a lot, so get some anti-itch relief cream because, Lord, these bugs come like ain't no problem. You know. This was for my knee because, you know, that clutch my knee is giving out. Pocket juice, selfie stick thing, all kinds of stuff. This is just bull crap. That's basically what it is. So then now I'm going to show y'all my bed. And this is my bed, my lovely bed. So yeah, this is the bottom. I need to wash my dishes. My lovely bed. These are my two favorite colors, turquoise and black. So yeah, my rug. I need to sweep my floor, but my rug, yes. Gotta look girly in here. Can't look plain with. If you go to most guys' truck, it's like Persian sheets and a rug they got from like the Dollar Tree. That's basically what it is. So I'll see y'all next time. That's what's inside Kendra's truck. So y'all have a good night. Bye.